Hello, I'm Thorsten Heineck, Product Manager for Sensors. I would like to introduce you to our new cylinder switch family, SDBT MSX. This cylinder switch offers you three outstanding features: automatic switching point detection, a programmable switching output, and a programmable switching window range. To better understand the benefits of our new sensor, we quickly have a look at a conventional cylinder switch. First, you essentially need power supply and eye contact with the sensor to ensure correct assembly and adjustment. Then, the sensor is inserted into the slot and moved by hand towards the position of the piston you want to detect. When the sensor detects the magnet of the piston, the yellow LED lights up. However, for correct installation, you must also ensure that the switching point is in the middle of the sensor's detection range. And all this is usually not done under full cylinder load, as a cylinder is usually not under pressure. This means, when you switch on your machine for the first time, it's not uncommon that you need to go to the cylinder switch again to fine-tune its installation position. And now, imagine all these efforts in an installation position, difficult to reach or difficult to spot. This makes it a lot more complicated and therefore more time-consuming. And this is exactly where Festo helps you with its new cylinder switch SDBT MSX. To set up this cylinder switch, you do not need power supply and you even do not need to see the sensor. All you do is you place the sensor roughly at the end position of the stroke. You connect the cable, done. The rest will be done automatically. So, no power supply required, no need to observe the LED, no fine adjustment. The easiest, fastest, and most reliable installation ever. You can install all your cylinder switches on your machine in the same way. When you switch on your machine for the first time, all sensors already provide a usable switching signal. Then, over the first cycle of the machine, our new feature, Auto Teach-In, comes into play. And automatically teaches the final switching point. And all this happens without affecting your application. In addition, we teach in the switching point under full load for the first time. For you, this means no time-consuming readjustment is required. Even installation positions, difficult to reach or difficult to spot, are no longer a challenge for you from now on. Auto Teach-In is already a powerful feature. Never seen before, is a game changer. This sensor has more to offer. On the sensor housing, you find a capacitive teach button. With this button, you can program PNP, NPN, normally open, normally closed, and you can even select the size of the switching point between 2 and 15 mm. So you have a lot of options in a single sensor, and therefore you have to keep much fewer parts in stock. To sum it up, SDBT MSX is your programmable cylinder switch with Auto Teach-In, which makes setup very easy, very fast, and very reliable. This saves you a lot of time and therefore a lot of money. Specific knowledge about cylinder switches is no longer required. Also, the program options save you money by keeping fewer parts in stock.